What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carlie Shea, and we are reacting it to my favorite guitar player, Alip, which he's just freaking amazing. If you're not subscribed to him, you are seriously missing out, and his channel is down in the description, so you can go subscribe so you don't miss out. Anyway, so we're gonna do a reaction to his cover of Kiss the Rain by Yuruma, which is a very fun name to say. I feel like between Alip and Yuruma, those are just fun words. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm so excited as always. Like, I'm obsessed with his playing. He is so good. It's crazy. So here we go. I swear every song that he plays is just so relaxing and calming, and I literally just feel like I zone out. Like, I forget that I'm recording, but oh my gosh. Okay, so he's got some device. I've never seen that before. It looks like it's maybe got like a gear on it that's making that kind of sound. That's so unique. I've never seen that. So cool. I've never seen a device like that I don't know what it made it sound like. I kind of sound like bagpipes to me, but that was just so beautiful. I don't know. It kept the note out longer. I don't know. That was just cool. Such a beautiful tune as well. I've never heard this song and I just love it. Gosh, that was beautiful. He's so nonchalant too. Oh my gosh, he is like one of the only guitar players I've ever seen that is just so chill when he's playing the guitar. Like, every once in a while he'll make like a facial expression, but other than that, he literally just it looks like so easy. That blows my mind. Anyways, that is Alip and the song Kiss the Rain. That was so pretty. I love it. I love everything he does. Speaking of, go subscribe to him, watch all his videos, and then drop requests down below. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And in case nobody's told you today, I love you. God loves you.